Oh, hi. I am very happy today. Like, it is an idealistic day, basically. I just wrapped up with my studies of JE. I'll do 1 hour of boards more now from here. And crazy, okay? I'll tell you the study schedule that I did today. As planned in the morning, it goes integration 3 hour lecture, notes I did 15 minutes, PYQs 2 hours, 21 questions. Integration. Oh my god, yes. Physical chemistry 2 hours, mole concept and atomic structure. Okay. Organic revision, reaction mechanism 1.5 hour. Physics ray optics, 1 hour notes and 1 hour questions. 22 PYQs. And then I did a formula revision of PNC binomial, half hour. I did analysis of 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. So I slept for 7 hours today. See. So study, I did 11 hours till now. I'm going to do 1 hour of NCRT reading. It makes 12 hours of study. And I have slept for 7 hours. See, I can be idealistic. And 5 hours I have done time pass, like a lot of time pass. Well, at home I did not do any time pass today. Traveling to BT only took my 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And yeah, it was my, basically, I can say that a very few last days. So I was there, like not gossiping, but yeah, मजा मस्ती मध्ये एक तिथं थांबले होते मी 45 मिनिट्स 1 तास. मग त्याच्यामध्ये टाइम गेला आणि परत येण्या जाण्यात 1 तास गेला. सो ते नाही मी घरी काहीच टाइमपास नाही केलाय, काहीच नाही. So now today was the idealistic day. 12 hours of study, 7 hours of sleep, and in 5 hours all the other things like खाना, मस्ती, 1 घंटा दोस्तों के साथ, 1.5 घंटे का ट्रैवल. सो बेसिकली क्रेजी कर दिया मैंने आज. बढ़िया. So this will be the routine for next 6 months. Like, I have been in this routine before also. In when for 2-3 months when I was studying, jab June, July, like I was fluctuating, but now this has to be continued. And the best part, I woke up before 8. Well, I wake up, but I wake up rarely कि like मेरे पास so बहुत दुख होना चाहिए मुझे कि मैंने कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं कल, तो फिर मैं नेक्स्ट डे जल्दी उठ जाती हूँ 3-4 बजे और पढ़ने लग जाती हूँ. बट टुडे आई woke up at 5:30 or 5:45 and I started studying at 6. एंड अब मैं 1 घंटा पढ़ के 11:30 बजे फिर से सो जाऊंगी. एंड कल से फिर से यही रूटीन होगा. एंड मोस्ट probably I'll not go to BT from now. I'm gonna be at home studying. Crazy. Okay, going on. Well, this doesn't has to be crazy. There should be something more crazier schedule. I'll look into that. And what else? Yeah, basically, whatever I have planned, it is as planned. It is exactly as planned. I have uh, followed it through my heart. Well, I did not think that integration के question इतने कम बनेंगे. Like in 2 hours, I did only 21 questions, which should be done in 1 hour. But ठीक है. I guess I did the tough ones. I don't know. Well, integration is tough, okay? So खुद से दिमाग लगा के करना. 21 are correct questions. And नहीं तो I attempted something 27 or 28. बट वो मुझे आए ही नहीं, तो वो मैंने सोल्यूशन देख लिए. बट 21 मुझे आए. सो मैं आए वाला काउंट बताती हूँ. फिजिक्स भी PYQ 21 के. आई हैड टारगेटेड 25 to 30, बट 21 हो पाए. एंड मैंने कुछ तो एक दो या 2-3 छोड़ दिए बीच में. वेल, and yes, so that's it for today. I'll do more 15 minutes of Kalka planning and I'll post this video. and I'll read NCERT for an hour or 45 minutes and make my study timer 12 hours. So yes, we are on track now. मेरे को क्लास में भी बहुत खुशी हुई क्योंकि मेरे को इंटीग्रेशन के क्वेश्चन बन रहे थे मेरे से. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई गेट सो हैप्पी. मेरे को पीवाई को सही आने पे जो खुशी मिलती है ना, वो खुशी अनमैचेबल होती है. अनमैचेबल, लाइक क्रेजी. मतलब wow, what have I done? So yes, and I've started physical chemistry, so that's a very big plus point for me. Now I'm going to score in physical too. So now let's see what happens. Stay tuned. अब मैं ये रोज ही बोलूंगी, stay tuned. So लव यू सही, बहुत सही जा रही है तू. मुझे खुद पे ही खुशी हो रही है, मैं खुद पे ही प्राउड होगी. सही जा रही है, सही. ओके, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. बाय बाय, गुड नाइट, स्टे ट्यून्ड. सही साइनिंग ऑफ.